So today I'm showing how to fix the furnace on a 2020 Winnebago 2100Bh. Basically my furnace was just stopped working. Basically the problem was the famous seal switch issue. And you can see the sail switch. It's really tight area, so the sail switch on this unit is here. Just take out that one screw holding it. Pretty unscrew it. It's right here, and then you could pull it out. Okay, so this is a sail switch for this unit. This is model year 2020, and it's a Dometic. Basically, this thing was stuck and would not close to allow the heat. I'm gonna demonstrate. So I'm gonna turn it on. You see, with the sail switch disengaged, you get an error light here in like 20 seconds. You see, now I errored out. You can see the light blinking. Now I'm going to activate the sail switch. I'm going to reset it. I'll turn it on, activate the sail switch. Now I got heat. Shut it off, heat stops, you get an error. Now I'm going to shut it off. Now how I prevent this from sticking in the future, I have no idea.